Oh my goodness, it's happening.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
What's going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and Tattoo Chef shareholders, it's happened. It's finally happened. You may have seen some rumors, some speculation about Tattoo Chef potentially being included in the Russell 3000 index. It was all over stock tweets. It was all over FinTwit. It was all over multiple discords that I'm a part of. Will Tattoo Chef be included in the Russell 3000 reshuffle or rebalancing? And I come bearing great news because yesterday the Russell 3000 Index Edition has been announced, the list of all the companies that will be included. And if you scroll down, let's scroll down to the letter T. You've got some great names here. You've got some great contenders, and all of these companies will be included. But look, there we are, guys. Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef will be included in the Russell 3000 index, which is absolutely insane. So I believe the inclusion will take place towards the end of June. So this is fantastic news for Tattoo Chef Inc. You're probably thinking to yourself, this is not a big deal. Why are you getting excited? This is a non-event. Well, you might be mistaken, okay? So let's take a look at this article. And I want to shout out to Sandeep in my Discord for sharing this article. So this was based on the Russell 3000 rebalancing that occurred last year. So June 23rd, 2020. And it gives you an idea of what you can expect as the Russell 3000 rebalances. So I've highlighted a few points here, okay? And this is the key points, okay? The 32nd annual rebalancing of the FTSE Russell US Index, which concludes this week, so that's last year's one, is expected to result in record trading volume. The event also highlights market trends, okay? And further in the article, it says reconstruction traditionally concludes one of the highest trading volume days of the year on the major US equity exchanges as the rebalancing is taking place. So this generally shines a spotlight on all of the companies that will now be included. So you've got a lot of indexers who may not be aware or familiar with certain companies. With this list, they'll now be made aware of these companies if they weren't already. They'll be able to do more analysis or more research on the companies. So I see this as very good news for Tattooed Chef. It's going to put a spotlight on the company. Indexers who may not be aware of Tattooed Chef will now be made aware. And as a result, we should see an increase in the trading volume in the run up to the inclusion dates and also on the inclusion date itself, according to this article. Now, moving on to my community page on my YouTube channel, I said this has to be probably one of the most beautiful sites you will see today. While competition are fighting for a shred of shelf space in Target, meanwhile, you have Tattoo Chef right here. And I shared this on my community and you guys absolutely liked this post. You've got pretty much Tattoo Chef with a whole door. You can see the competition here on the left fighting for shelf space. You've got this brand here. Then you've got a different brand right here. And then you've got another brand right there at the bottom. But there you go. Literally all of the shelves in this door Tattoo Chef branded products, which is just incredible to see. Now, if you've ever worked in retail, you know how significant this is, okay? We heard in our recent earnings call that Tattoo Chef is the best frozen food product ever in Target's history. This is pure evidence of this because retailers don't just willy-nilly give a particular company a whole door for their products to be displayed on. It usually occurs under three circumstances. And one is if the company themselves specifically paid additional for their products to take up this amount of space within the retailer stores. And trust me, that's not cheap. There's a reason why companies do not do that. It's a very expensive feat. The second scenario is where the retailer themselves are selling their own branded products, and usually they will attribute this type of shelf space to their own branded products. Or three, that brand is selling like hotcakes. And I believe that seems to be the case with Tattoo Chef. And this is just the most bullish sign you're going to see for any food company ever. This is amazing. This got me excited, and a lot of you guys like this picture. 191 of you guys like this picture. I mean, this picture got a lot more likes than a lot of my videos. So this just goes to show that you guys really like that. Now, my last video for Tattoo Chef, I told you guys that they have already began expanding into the UK. They're currently in Costco's with two products, and that was the organic greens and the Mexican style street corn. So of course, I took a trip to my local Costco, and here's a picture of myself. I put this on my Instagram stories. I shared it with my Discord. I said, I've never been this happy buying frozen fridge, and I put laughing face and then rocket emojis, and I actually tagged in Tattoo Chef, to which they actually liked it on my Instagram. And I got a video here. Let me see if I can play that.
Surreal to have a Tattoo Chef branded product in my hands. This is gonna go down a treat. I'm so excited. Wow, it's amazing. It's real, guys. It's real.
And yeah, so I actually did end up purchasing the products. A lot of people on Instagram were asking me, did I actually buy it? Of course I did. So this quarter's international sales, I contributed to the top line growth. Thank you very much, Tattoo Chef shareholders. You guys are very, very welcome. Now, last but not least, let's take a look at the share price action. And we are approaching a key level of resistance. I've got the Fibonacci retracement levels here. So my expectations for the share price is that we will just consolidate here for a couple of weeks up until the Russell 3000 inclusion. And then we might see volume pushing us to the upside. Then we will test this level at $24. And who knows, maybe that volume will push us through this resistance level and we'll then test all-time highs. That'll be very good to see us setting all-time highs when only a few weeks ago we were trading at $15 a share. And as you can see at that point there, that was an absolute bargain. So well done to those who are able to dollar cost average lower, because we are eating, guys. We're in this for the long term. But that's all I have for you in this video today. Please make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.